And what I want to start with is I want to start with a concept that I like to call 50 social. This is not a mind-blowing concept, okay? It's very, very simple, actually. A very, very simple concept, okay? FIFTY. So when it comes to faceless marketing, 50 is all you really need to remember for starters, okay? The F is pretty simple. This is going to stand for faceless, okay? So faceless, this is the concept, is that what we're doing is we're essentially building out social media brands where we don't use our own personal face. We don't even have to use our own personal brand. We don't use our own personal name. In fact, if you've done this properly, no one even knows it's you. In fact, you can be completely anonymous, right? That's the biggest benefit of faceless marketing. So the strategy is called 50 social. So from now on, whenever you're building out a faceless brand, when you're thinking about it, when you've chosen your niche, which we covered yesterday, so we don't need to really cover it deep. When you've chosen your niche, what you want to do then is you want to start building out your brand on these 4 major platforms.